Coming up in the next 2 weeks on Justhands-on.tv. On Friday the 20th of April we meet Sarah Hatton, who has joined our knitting and crochet team. As a pattern designer for both knitting and crochet, she talks to Valerie about her background and inspirations. Also on Friday the 20th we reach part 4 of Anne Baxter's brilliant Navajo blanket quilt project. In this episode she shows us how to produce the zigzag border from simple half-square triangles. Then on Friday the 27th of April we concentrate on explaining how to crochet if you are left-handed. Sarah explains how to start the crochet chain, as well as creating the double and triple crochet techniques. Finishing off is the same for everyone. And also on Friday the 27th we have a knitting workshop on how to make the moss stitch knitted hat that Sarah designed for us, and she tells us how to recognise stitches so that we can read our knitting and know exactly where we are even if interrupted. There are new videos released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.